And the boats are off. And the boats that have just set off have their brown cards. And these are the boats for race D05 with brown cards.
Thank you everyone for rejoining us this afternoon. It's been quite a long delay, but we're happy to get the boats back on water. And you see events D05 has just started. This is the under 14 men JK1 2000 meter time final 5. So the boats have started from Suspension Bridge and they are heading up towards Merdeka Bridge, where they'll make a turn around 3 yellow buoys, followed by the 3 yellow buoys you see at the 0 meter again to the far end of the race course and then back. We are also awaiting the start of event D06 that will kick off in a few minutes' time. That would be the time final 6 for the under 14 men JK1 2000 meter event. For those who are on site, please also note we have combined the under 12 boys JK1 from 4 time finals. Now, time finals 1 and 2 will be starting at 6 p.m. and time finals 3 and 4 will start at 6:05 p.m. And that was the start of event D06, the under 14 men JK1 2000 meters time final 6. Do note we are trying to bring forward the start a little earlier, so if all the boats are there, then we will start the race. Now coming up in front of you is boat 408. That looks like Ethan. Okay, let's see which Ethan is this. Ethan Tan. Okay, Ethan Tan from ActiveSG Canoe Academy, squad McRitchie. Behind him, boat 423, that is from Hwa Chong Institution, Jaya Chan. Followed by boats 409, Haki from ActiveSG Canoe Academy, also from squad McRitchie. So remember, the top 3 timings across all 6 time finals will be awarded the medals. Okay, but for many of these boys, it will be a challenge to improve on their personal best timings. Okay, next up, we have boat 410 coming right in front of us. That's Dylan Tan, also from squad McRitchie, followed by 407, Aiden Chan from squad McRitchie, 412, that's Augustus from Upsize Bedok Reservoir, 417, Kyler Yap from Upsize Sports Hub Water Sports Center, 424, from Hwa Chong Institution, Chang Xing Pin, 425 from St. Joseph's Institution, Lucas, and boat 420 from BT Secondary School, Alaric Tan, 421, Gunning Singh School, Ethan Lim, 416, Joshua Tan from ActiveSG Canoe Academy, Upsize McRitchie. Okay, we still have a couple more boats coming down. School athletes, if you are here, do cheer on your teammates, and if you'd like to do a shout out to them, you can stop by the announcer tent. 419 is right in front of you, ladies and gentlemen. This is Christian Saw from BT Secondary, and behind him, boat 422 from Gunning Singh School, Pang John Hui. If you notice and you see some of the athletes like going very close to each other, it's part of the strategy of long distance racing. We call that wash riding, where they try to get an advantage of riding the wash of the boat in front of them. It's a bit like drafting in cycling, so it's a tactic that they have to practice. Of course, if they get too close and there's a risk of collision, which might incur them a time penalty, so that's something we definitely want to avoid. Okay, and coming up next in front of you, still on the number plates, boat 411, Leroy Tan from ActiveSG Canoe Academy, Squad Water Sports Center. So boat 411 had capsized earlier, but he's still determined to finish the race, and he is pushing on. Okay, so for those who are here in the audience and you can't really see what's happening at the far end, do tune in to our live stream available on the Singapore Canoe Federation social media pages, as well as the ActiveSG Academies and Clubs social media. If you want to follow the link, it's go.gov.sg/. Okay, let me find the link again. Okay, there's many things ongoing. There are also some activities happening at the OCBC Square, and the GetActive celebration will continue until National Day. Pesta Sukan is one of our signature events that celebrate National Day through sports. And I found the live stream link. It's go.gov.sg/pesta-sukan-live. Okay, once again, that's go.gov.sg/pesta-sukan-live. So on that link, you'll be able to see the 4 live stream sessions of the Pesta Sukan Canoe Sprint competition. In front of you, what you're seeing is the 4th and final session of this competition. On the live stream, you see it's nice and clear. The athletes are making their way around the turn. they've got to keep the yellow buoy on their right-hand side. Okay, so the boats pass on the left, the buoy will be on their right-hand side. This is to ensure that they complete the 2-kilometer distance, and it's a fair race for everyone. There are turn officials monitoring the turns to Eton. And we have 2 boats coming. Is there going to be a change in the positions? Maybe not, but boat 5 is white boats coming, but so 409 has completed. Haki from squad McRitchie, that is 3rd place in the time final 5. And you see the leaders of time final 6 going up for the second round. Boat 642 in front of you is also from time final 6. That is Joshua Yu from ActiveSG Canoe Academy, squad McRitchie. And then you see a big group of athletes coming here. We're very happy this year to have many school athletes from BT Secondary, Gunning Singh School, Hwa Chong Institution, St. Joseph's Institution. See how the athletes take the turn. It is to try to make as sharp a turn as possible without losing speed. And you can see that some of the boats have gone a bit off the course. Okay, but and don't forget the orange number plates are the ones that have completed their race. So the green tags are the ones that are still going for. Once again, go.gov.sg 2024 PSCSP. That's short form for Pesta Sukan Canoe Sprint. Okay, we hear some enthusiastic cheering from the fellow teammates. Boat 653, you still got another round to go. Boat 652. 6. Okay, coaches at the pontoon, please check on athlete with the boat number plate 652 to see if he's okay. Okay, audiences, if anyone needs medical attention, it is available at the far end of the Water Sports Center. We have the standby medical personnel. Water cooler is available at level 1 of the Sports Hub reception area, and you're most welcome to make use of the white tentages on level 2. That will give you a pretty good view of the races. And of course, do follow the live stream as well. Okay, and we have boats from D06 making the final straight home to finish the 2 kilometer competition. And also on the water on the left, which is not on the live stream, you see the teams getting ready or the athletes getting ready for events D11 that will push off in about 5 to 10 minutes time. The under 14 women JK1 2000 meter time final 1 and 2. Okay, so that will happen shortly, and the start will be at the suspension bridge in about 5 to 10 minutes. But right in front of us, ladies and gentlemen, boat 645 wins the time final 6. Congratulations to Kwek Ke Le from ActiveSG Canoe Academy Squad Water Sports Center. Second place behind him with the boat plate 641 from Squad McRitchie, Ang Chin Wen, Ryan. Okay, well done, Ryan. Well done, boys. Okay, that's a good lead over the next boat, but here we see in third place for time final 6 with the green number tags. Boat 642 is making his way down the last 50 meters of the race course. 642 is Joshua Yo from ActiveSG Canoe Academy Squad McRitchie. Okay, congratulations to Joshua. If you're looking at the live stream and looking at what's happening on the ground, there is a slight delay. That is the system feature. Okay, so there is a slight time lag between what you see on the live stream and what's happening in front of you. Okay, of course, the advantage of the live stream is you get to play back the video and get the race progress earlier this afternoon. Okay, 3 boats coming down for the finish. In the last 50 meters, will the positions change? A very good sprint from the boat in yellow. That's 6:58 and looks like he is leading. From St. Joseph's Institution, Caleb Butter, followed by 6:44. That's Samuel Long from Squad Water Sports Center and 6:43. We will need to check what is 6:43. Coaches, can I get a favor? Please identify the athlete with the boat plate 643. He does not seem to be on the registration list. Thank you. Okay, 651 completes the race. Okay, good job to Lim Chunyi. And 654 has completed as well from BT Secondary Yip Che Zhi. From ActiveSG Canoe Academy, Bedok Reservoir. We still have a couple more boats coming down, finishing up their race. But meanwhile, athletes for events D13 and D14. Events D13 and D14, under 14 women JK1 2000 meter time final 3, and the under 12 girls JK1 2000 meter final. Please report to the ActiveSG Canoe Academy boat shed now to prepare for your race.
coming up very soon is event D11, and that's the under 14 women JK1 2000 meters timed final one. And the team from ActiveSG Canoe Academy, BT Secondary, Damai Secondary School, and Gan Eng Seng School. The boats will have orange labels on them, and that's the under 14 women JK1 2000 meters timed final one, and they'll be starting in about a couple of minutes. You're watching the 2024 Pesta Sukan National Canoe Sprint, and we are looking at the teams racing the under 14 women in the next race. And the following race, which is D12, will also be under 14 women JK1 2000 meters timed final two. And the race will be at about 5:25. The boats will have blue labels. All right, in the meantime, let's watch out for the timed final one to start.
Well, as you can hear, there are two different voices doing the announcements today, and so I'm very happy to have with me Wahida. And Wahida was a former paddler from Pongo Point Canoe Club, and she is teammates with Mr. Patrick Fong, who is one of our long-serving technical officials, and many in the community will know him. So Wahida, how is it coming back to the sport after so many years?
It brings back great memories, okay, of how it's like being in the water. And it was wonderful to meet Patrick. Yeah, I was secretly hoping that I'll meet some of the guys from the old days, guys and girls. Okay, so it was a bonus to meet Patrick, and then he put me on the chat with the people from Punggol Point Canoe Club. Now you might not have heard of Punggol Point Canoe Club. That was like eons and eons ago, and then when the place closed down, people moved to Pasir Ris Canoe Club and various other places. But I'm so happy to be here and to do my bit and to get into the spirit of canoeing again.
It's beautiful. Thank you so much, Wahida, for joining us for this Pesta Sukan Canoe Sprint. I'm going to try to learn as much as I can from you, and hope to see you at our future events as well.
I think, Cheryl, I'm learning from you, every minute of the way. I mean, you know the game and you know the people, and you can just rattle off all that, I mean, it's so inspiring.
I mean, many of the kids have come through the ActiveSG Canoe Academy over the years. So we officially started in July 2020. That was right in the middle of the COVID pandemic, actually. And we trace it back earlier to the Kid in the Kayak program started by the Singapore Canoe Federation in October 2015, right after our best ever medal haul at the 2015 SEA Games. So what you see in front of you was many years of work, and we are very thankful for all those who have come before us, like yourself, Wahida. Thank you so much. And now let's turn our attention to the waters again.
Right, that's the under 14 women, JK1 2000 meters timed final one.
So in this time final one, we have many young athletes from the school teams as well as ActiveSG Canoe Academy. So we have with us the school athletes from BT Secondary, Damai Secondary School, Gan Eng Seng School. Let's see, in time final two, yep, that's about it. There's three schools. Right, so I would also like to do a shout out to their teachers and coaches who are extremely dedicated, and they are spending their weekend here to accompany the girls and cheer them on. Okay, so all the athletes, when you get out on the water, please do remember to say thank you to your teachers and coaches, and of course your parents for supporting you in your journey in sport.
And Cheryl, I noticed that ActiveSG Canoe Academy has many, um, has progressed, and it's got like this upsize McRitchie, upsize Water Sports Center, and there's squad McRitchie and squad WSC. Is like, wow, I mean, the, the sport is just growing and growing and it's booming. Yeah, it was just last time was community centers, and maybe schools. Again, not that many schools, all right? We're talking about in the 1990s, okay? And so it's grown leaps and bounds, and I look forward to more and more, and everyone at the Singapore Canoe Federation and all the coaches and all the canoeists, seniors and juniors are doing such a great job. Okay, I'm just can't wait to see what happens. Hopefully in my lifetime.
Definitely, definitely. We are going to have more competitions, bigger and better, and we are going to invite you to come back to be the commentator for those as well. So on the water just started is event D11. That's the that's event D12. The under 14 women JK1 time final 2 has begun. So again, the race course, just a quick orientation for those who are here. The start is at the suspension bridge. That's our traditional start point for the mass competitions, and it makes quite a good videos and photos from there. Okay, you can see the athletes coming past us right in front of the audience, and they will be heading up towards the far end of the race course nearer to Merdeka Bridge before they make a turn around the 3 yellow buoys. Okay, and they'll come down to the 0 meter mark for the second turn and going up again for the final turn. And then they'll complete the home straight to finish the race. Let me try to identify that boat. They all look pretty fast. Can't really see the boat number plate from here, but it's okay. We'll see them when they come down in a while. Very good racing from all these athletes. For many of them, this is actually their first canoe sprint competition, or at least their first 2 km competition. So besides trying to win some medals and get some good positions, I think the most important is enjoying the experience and trying to outdo their personal best timings. Okay, we are on track for the race schedule, and we after this we still have the under 14 women JK1. There's one more final, the time final 3, and finally we will have the under 12 races to end of the day. It's very nice and flat conditions. This is what all paddlers dream of. Earlier this morning was a little bit choppier, but now the conditions are quite conducive for good racing and good timings. So for those who are here at the Water Sports Center, well, welcome to our final session of the Pesta Sukan Canoe Sprint competition. If you'd like to join us on the live stream, that's go.gov.sg/pesta-live. Okay, so that's to follow us on live stream. You can also find the link on the Singapore Canoe Federation and the ActiveSG Academies and Clubs social media to find out the link to the live stream. Okay, and there we have boat very confidently coming down. I think we see that is boat 160. Boat 160. Let me try to identify that athlete. Boat 160 is Saralyn Jackson from ActiveSG Canoe Academy squad McRitchie. And behind is boat 169, Isabel Ng also from ACA squad Water Sports Center. Boat 189 from Damai Secondary School, Shamin Sid. And boat 150 from ActiveSG Canoe Academy, Squad McRitchie, Charlotte. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about the different programs that the Canoe Academy runs, but look in front, we have many boats coming. Let's see how they take the turn. You can see boat 179 attempting to make a turn. Okay, that's still, yeah, this is quite challenging. You got to make the turn, keep your speed, avoid banging into other boats. Not so easy, but a very good test of what the girls can do. Okay, 142 and 49 are going a bit wide, so come on, turn back to the race course. Yep. Okay, so do cheer on your favorite paddlers and, of course, encourage all the young athletes you see here on the water. As I was saying, there are several programs that ActiveSG Canoe Academy runs. So you see some of them, the name or the team names go with the KIAK. That's short form for the Kid in a Kayak, which is our beginner level program. The one that says UPZ, upsize. It's like you can't get enough of the once a week session and you want to upsize it, so you do it twice a week. That's our intermediate program. And then the squad is our competitive program that we have up to about 9 or 10 sessions a week. But of course, don't worry, the kids don't come for all 9 or 10 sessions. We provide that flexibility as some of them are in schools that do not offer canoeing as a CCA. Hence, we open up more training options so that it can match their other compulsory school commitments. So if you'd like to find out more, do drop us an email at activesg_canoe@sport.gov.sg. So the ActiveSG Canoe Academy is one of 10 academies and clubs run by Sport Singapore. We are the state board for sport, and our parent ministry is the Ministry of Culture, Community and Youth, MCCY. So we also have 4 different locations. As you can see from the color code in red, the athletes from our Squad Water Sports Center program, which is right here where you are today. And in blue, we have the athletes from the McRitchie venue. In yellow, our newest addition at Marina Reservoir in collaboration with People's Association. And in green are the athletes from Jurong Lake Gardens, also in collaboration with People's Association. Okay, we have more athletes coming down, and this in front of you is boat 086. This is from Time Final 2, and boat 086 from Damai Secondary, and I can hear her teammates cheering for her. That's wonderful. And boat 93 from Gunning Singh School, Nu Zakaya. And many more boats have passed, of course. Still very good competitive racing, and everyone's trying to chase down a few positions, maintaining their technique, doing the best result that they. Okay, still we see all the blue number plates passing us. There is a yellow tag. Might have. Okay, the boat 199 unfortunately had a capsize earlier on, but she is persevering to complete the race. So let's give her our support. Okay, boat 199 will be attempting to complete the race. Very good effort and fighting spirit there. Okay, if you would like to get a clearer view of the turns, you're most welcome to join the live stream here, and you of course can play this back later on. So on the waters now are races D11 and D12, the under 14 women JK1 2000 meter time finals 1 and 2. So from the 3-time finals, the top 3 timings will be awarded the gold, silver and bronze medal. Okay, here we have a boat with a blue tag 094. 094 from Gunning Singh School, Giselle Tan. It's really nice. I can hear her teammates cheering her on. So sometimes it might seem quite far away, but the paddlers, in fact, can hear the audience cheering them on. Okay, and coming down very strongly with the yellow plate number. Let's see if I can. 160. Okay, this will be our winner for time final one from ActiveSG Canoe Academy, Sarah Lynn Jackson. Congratulations to Sarah Lynn. Coming down next in boat 169, very colorful boat. We have also from ActiveSG Canoe Academy, Isabel Ng from Squad Water Sports Center. Next up, 189. The top three boats is rounded off by Shamin Sid from Damai Secondary School. Well done, Shamin. Okay, still pushing hard, boat 150, Charlotte from ActiveSG Canoe Academy Squad, McRitchie. Okay, the finish line is actually where you see the black and yellow board and the row of orange buoys. Okay, so it's an imaginary line to where the finishers are, the timekeepers and so on. Okay, 159 has completed the race. Okay, congratulations to Hannah. And boat 143, K-Ray, has completed the race as well. Well done, girls. Two more boats coming down, 179 and 200. That's from Damai Secondary School, Kapadia. And boat 200 from Gunning Sing School, Ng Yi Tong. Well done, girls. Okay, next we have boat 149 and 170 coming our way. 149 is Naomi Tan from ActiveSG Canoe Academy Upsize Water Sports Center. 170 from BT Secondary School, Alagu Vilu. Congratulations. Boat 142 is Laryl Ng from ACA McRitchie Program. Well done, Laryl. So these young athletes are mostly 13 and 14. In fact, they are 13 and 14 years old. So we can look to many more years of good racing for them in subsequent age groups when they move up to the under 16 and the under 18. In the school competitions, that would be the equivalent of the B and the A division. Currently, they are C division. And this looks like the first place coming up for time final 2. This is, I'm trying to match a name, but that looks like Chen Lang Shi from ActiveSG Canoe Academy Squad, McRitchie. A round of applause for Lang Shi, please. Lang Shi, you have crossed the finish line. Yes, good job. Well done. Smile for the camera. Okay, pushing hard behind in the red boat. Nice and strong, confidently. 082. This is Kaylin Sung also from ActiveSG Canoe Academy, Squad McRitchie. Okay, well done, Kaylin. Yeah, girls, remember the finish line is at the black and yellow board and the red boys. Okay, but yeah, it's good for the video if you speed up at the end. Okay, boat 190 is coming through. Boat 190 is Shahida from Damai Secondary. Okay, congrats on finishing the race. Boat 086 with the blue plates is Kelly Cho from Damai Secondary School. Okay, more boats coming down. Boat 89 from Damai Secondary School, Shahida. Okay, and boat 93, Gunning Sing School, Noor Zakaya. Two more boats, 84, 87. 84 is Jamie Lynn Lotter, and 87, Shannon Pei is 87 is Shannon Pei from Damai Secondary. Okay, boat 78 and boat 80. 78 is Wang Ya Si from ACA Upsize McRitchie Program, and boat number 80 is Renee Ong from Upsize Water Sports Center. Okay, we still have a couple more boats on the course, and they are looking good coming down on the home straight. And very shortly, we will be starting the next block of races. That's events D13 and D14. Okay, boat 85 has just crossed the finish line. Congratulations to Freya Chong from BT Secondary. And we have boat 79, next, Kaylin Sim from Upsize Water Sports Center. Okay, someone's going to push for the finish line, and who is it going to be? I think it is boat 90 before, and then boat 76. Boat 76. Boat 90 is Janelle Chua from Gunning Sing. Boat 76 is Vera Low from ActiveSG Canoe Academy. And boat 199 with the yellow tag, that is Tan Yang Yi from Damai Secondary School. Okay, boat 094 is right in front of us. That's Giselle Tan from Gunning Sing School. Okay, well done to all the competitors. Wahida, how was that? Very exciting racing. So many close finishes.
Yes, yes. And I can't wait for the next race. That's at the event D13. The under 14 women JK won 2,000 meters, timed final 3. More exciting action from the ActiveSG Canoe Academy paddlers, also Damai Secondary School, and